Now when somebody is writing an RTL, they can also make mistake just like anything else. Any design entry mechanism, anything that you think of, a designer could potentially make mistakes. These mistakes could be he wrote something incorrectly. The mistakes could also be that they missed by taking care of something. Now also understand, right, when we looked initially at the diagram, logic design is the first stage of the design process. After logic design, there will be physical design and so on. So it is possible that if we do something at the RTL stage, at the logic design stage, there could be implication at the back end stage of the design process. And if there is a new user, not a very experienced designer, they may not be able to think of all possible implications. If I am doing something, what is the implication at the second stage or third stage or fifth stage or seventh stage kind of thing, right. It is very example to if you are creating a building, if you are constructing a building, you do something at the foundation stage and its impact would be felt on the 8th floor also, right. So if it is not a good architect, they may not know the mistakes that they are making at the foundation stage till they reach the 8th floor. So similarly in the RTL, somebody could make mistakes because of lack of knowledge of domain knowledge of the expertise.